السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. I'm Muhammad Salah. I have been healed from many things here with Mr. Hafiz Muhammad Saleh. I was addict to drugs and I have a lot of problems in my colon, intestines, and constipation and sleeping patterns, and within 2 weeks for this I healed more than 19 diseases with Mr. Hafiz. I highly recommend him. He's very kind and very sincere to his work, and he keeps his promises. So thank you, Mr. Hafiz.